Strategies for conceiving a child. Have sexual intercourse frequently. It might appear just like a no-brainer, but given mcouples' hectic schedules, it's not hard to overlook that one. If you are not timing your cycles or else you have irregular periods, you are able to cover your bases by getting sex every second day, say fertility specialists. Determine whenever you ovulate. Women with very regular 2-8 day cycles can simply count 14 days from the very first day of the period to find out their ovulation date. In case your cycles aren't regular, or perhaps if they are, an ovulation package will help you pinpoint your most fertile time. Have fun. The most crucial factor to keep in head would be to keep sex fun. If this turns into a chore, it's not hard to view sex as just another item in your to-do list.